I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Windows 10 is on version 1903 or higher, and that you're signed into a Microsoft account. Once done, open Settings, go to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar and flip the toggle to On. You're enabling the overlay and capture backend now. This step activates keyboard shortcuts and the capture widget, so you can record, take screenshots, and access widgets. Make sure background apps permission is allowed so Game Bar can run when you need it. Next, you'll update and configure the tool. Open Microsoft Store, go to Library, and get updates for Xbox Game Bar so you have the latest fixes and features. Then, return to Settings Gaming Xbox Game Bar to customize shortcuts, enable the capture widget, and choose which widgets appear. Also, check privacy settings to allow microphone and storage access, and enable Game Bar in background apps so recordings start reliably. These detailed steps prevent permission issues and ensure captures contain audio and saved files in the right location. Finally, verify everything. Press Win+G to open Xbox Game Bar, confirm widgets load, and use Win+Alt+R to record a short clip. Once you've tested captures, open Settings Gaming Captures to confirm file location and quality options so saves go where you expect. If Game Bar won't open or recordings fail, reset the app via Settings Apps Xbox Game Bar Advanced Options Reset, and make sure game mode or third-party overlays aren't conflicting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.